Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Roborock S7 docking station not working. Power, charging base and reset fix. Fix 1 is check the docking station power. Make sure the docking station is plugged into a power outlet, then check that the power adapter is connected properly. Try a different wall outlet, see if the dock power light turns on. Second one is clean the charging contact. Turn off the robot and unplug the dock, then wipe the metal charging contact on the dock with a soft dry cloth. Clean the charging contact on the bottom of the robot, then plug the dock back in and try charging again. Third one is check the dock placement. Place the dock on a flat, hard surface, then keep the area in front of the dock clear to furniture and other object. Make sure the dock is against a wall as recommended. Try sending the robot back to the dock again. Fourth one is restart the docking station. Unplug the docking station from the power outlet, then wait about 2 minutes. Plug the dock back in, then place the robot on the dock and check if it starts charging. Fifth one is reset the Roborock S7. Remove the robot from the dock, then press the reset button using a paperclip or restart the robot from the app. Wait for the robot to restart completely, then return it to the docking station and check if the charged properly. Thanks for watching.